If you sprain your ankle coming down right before a hike, I'm going to be cross. Okay.
Okay. How about this stuff?
35.6. Thank you. Thanks. The uMlalazi River and surrounds make up a protected reserve, great for fishing, bird watching and nature hikes. One of these hikes took us along the river to the sea and back, a total distance of around 10 kilometers. I'm not as fit as I was. This lockdown, lack of sporting events to run in and things. It's not even a very intense hike, but I'm struggling a little bit. It's very pretty though. Not a very intense hike indeed. We would soon learn that I had spoken just a little bit too soon on that one. Oh my goodness! Desmond, go help your girlfriend.
I'm so sorry. I should have fucking waited for you.
No, ek kan. Okay. I'll actually focus on filming and doing this, can I? That's a terrible idea. And
much more graceful
than the you, yes. Although I'm
it's always entertaining.
That was a
Made it
foul.
look so easy.
Foul move there.
just jump, Desmond.
Yeah. Almost failed you again.
I failed myself. I used to do gymnastics.
Back in primary school, it was a long time ago.
This is not as bad as the previous challenge.
Yeah, and I know what's next to it. I'm just kind of proud that I didn't fall completely bodily into the water. At least I kind of recovered.
I'm proud that your camera survived because from my angle it looked like it was about to fall off your shoulder.
I fell because I was like holding it.
And it came very close, when you fell down, it came very close to like knocking on the pole that you're walking
It
on.
would have been fine if it knocked. It would just been momentum. It's been whacked with a boomerang before, so.
I've got questions.
Children.
Climb it.
Alright, hang on.
a bit windy, so I don't know if you'll hear me. GoPros aren't known for their amazing audio, but I mean, during a pandemic, and everyone's told to social distance, what better place is there? Look, here's me. Nobody there? Nobody there? When the world's being plagued by an infectious disease, what better place to be? Array. Here it is, it's coming here, it's coming to us. I had never seen a stingray in the wild before, and here I was at the beach with a GoPro that could go underwater. What could go wrong? Okay, so you're probably wondering what just happened. It was a little bit quick, so let's see that again. As I was walking in the sand, my camera completely missed the stingray. My foot, however, did not. Next thing I knew, this prehistoric slimy beast with its googly eyes was on me, and I was in the water thrashing around like a maniac. I think both of us were equally freaked out. One more time. Look at that thing. Look at that stinger on its tail. Lesson learned about chasing strange creatures in the water for sure. Back to land! Back to land! While we were all glad that I had escaped unharmed, the stingray wasn't quite done with us yet. As a last act of vengeance for my trespassing, the beast grabbed my dad's prized fishing lure, and the fight of the century ensued. speaking of the one that got away, it was time for us to get away from the beach and make the long trek back home. Understandably exhausted, we ended the day in the only way that seemed appropriate.